Today I woke up the same as always, but something's off. I can't tell what it is. It started a few months ago, the day I felt emptiness for the first time, a feeling that cannot be explained.
Okay.
Hi.
Everything okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Well, I need to go to classes. I guess I'll see you later. If you need anything, you can call me.
Are you having problems with that?
No, I can do it by myself.
What happened to you? You used to be my best student.
I'm sorry.
Don't be sorry. Just try harder next time. Can you do me a favor?
Sure. What do you need?
Well, I need you to give the graduation speech. I know you're good at public speeches.
Well, sure. I think I could do that.
Great. Thank you.
Hey,
Hey.
what are you eating?
It's nothing. You can have it if you like.
Really? Thanks.
You know, I'm giving our graduation speech at the ceremony this year.
Wow, that's great. But have you written something already?
No, not yet. I'm just starting.
Oh, but you shouldn't worry. I mean, you're very good at it.
Thanks.
Hey, how are you doing?
Fine.
What do you have for lunch?
Same as always.
I saw you giving it to your friend. What aren't you eating?
Are you spying on me?
No, I'm just worried.
You know what? That's it. I don't want you to be my babysitter. I can do stuff by myself.
Hey, don't be mad. Just...
Hey, where have you been? We were supposed to be in today's rehearsal for our graduation. It's been 2 weeks. What are you doing here? The ceremony is tomorrow and you're just lying here doing nothing. What am I supposed to tell the teacher? He's counting on you. Listen, I don't know what's happening, and you're not telling me, and that's freaking me out. We're supposed to be friends, but I don't even know who you are anymore, and I'm not planning to stick around anymore.
Don't worry. I'm not planning on sticking around either.
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm just a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll be great.
Oh, it's my turn. Could you hold these papers for me, please?
Yeah, sure. Don't break your leg.
Thanks.
Yesterday I couldn't sleep well. I tried and tried. I felt tired, but I couldn't do anything about it. And when I was about to give up, it happened. I wasn't conscious anymore. I had a different dream. I dreamt that I lived in a city without birds. I kept looking for them, but they never appeared. I dreamt that I woke up and didn't listen to them singing. At first it felt peaceful, but in reality it was just empty.
I did it. It went well.
Nice, thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Hey. Everything should be fine. You'll find them again.